What's going on, you guys? It's Randy with Full Throttle Obsessions, coming back to you with another video. Today I'm out here with my X-Maxx at this dry lake bed. We found quite a bit of mud. We're gonna have some fun today. Let's go ahead and do it. Alright, you guys, we had to cut that one a little short. We ended up smoking the fusible link on the ESC. So we ended up taking the Ford out and had to match the Ford with the X-Maxx. What we're going to do, we're going to get a fusible link. We're going to install it in the X-Maxx and probably do another run. Well, as always, if you guys like my videos, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.